me, oh me, oh my. Oh me, oh me, oh me, oh my. Oh me, oh me, oh me, oh my. I like that.
Hey, phenomenal beauties. What's your slay today? My slay today is going to be this hair. Today I'm just going to do a curly hair routine. Get this all wet and wavy and silky. So if you guys would like to see how I get that done, please stay tuned to the video, okay? I'm going to do a curly routine on this hair so it can get all wet, snatched, you know what I'm saying? So if you guys would like to see that, please stay tuned. But first, I would like for you to stop and subscribe. Subscribe to my channel, please. I would love all support. I love you guys. And like the video and keep watching. Alright, so today I'm going to show you guys what I do to get this hair looking all wet and delicious, okay? Like I said, this is AliExpress Cranberry Deep Wave Hair, 12-inch closure with 14, 16, and 18-inch bundles. I did use all bundles. I had a little bit left from my last bundle, but we're going to get into it. So first I have my spray bottle. It's just a spray bottle with water. Most people put conditioner in there so they can just do everything at one time, but I like to make sure I get it all soaked and get all the conditioner and moisture in the hair that I need, so I do everything individually. So first I'm going to spray my hair. This might take a little minute. Look, you guys, just water, okay? Just water. I'm looking in the mirror behind you guys because it looks so good. Okay, that's what I was saying. So this is it when it's just wet, and this is it brushed out. I did brush my hair out before so I can do this video for you guys. So I'm gonna do the other side now. I hate when I get water in my face, y'all. I'm probably getting water all over my bathroom. You can always just dump your hair in the water, like just get in the shower and soak your hair. But I feel like it'll take a lot longer to dry. Like, I ain't got time to be in the shower doing all that. I'm just gonna do this. You might want to wear a shirt that you're not gonna wear for the day because it will get wet. So spray a little bit more. Okay, so this is okay. So the hair is drenched wet, as you guys can see. Now, I'm going to go in with my leave-in conditioner. I used this in my last video. It's the Shea Moisture Jamaican and Castor Oil. It smells so good. Like, I still smell it in my hair right now. But I put a good generous amount of this in my hair. Just probably about this much on each side. And I just run my fingers through. And what I did like, to get my curls really defined, you rake your fingers through it first. Right? Rake your fingers through it first. You see, guys? And I'll just do the prayer hands. See? I'm gonna put a little bit more. I want these curls to stay very defined even when it dries. Don't forget the top, ladies. I'm gonna do one side and then go to the next side, okay? So after the leave-in conditioner on this side, you can take a wide tooth comb or a brush, either one, a paddle brush. I'm gonna show you guys what's going on. Let me show you guys the brush. Just run my brush through it. Especially the bottoms, you guys. You have to make sure you get the bottoms because with this hair, I have noticed is at the bottom of the hair, the ends can get a little scraggly. So to take care of that, I have this oil. You can use any type of oil. This is just some do-grow oil that I use for my actual hair, not my weave. I ran out of my argan oil. Usually I use argan oil. I love argan oil. It smells good and everything. So I just get a small amount and run my fingers through my hair. Make sure you get everything because the oil helps with frizz and the ends. Make sure you get the ends. And then the last step that I do is I just have some wrapping lotion, some mousse. You can use mousse, wrapping lotion, the foam, whatever you guys would like to use. I just use this on the ends of my hair. The ends and the top part, just so it won't be frizzy. So what I do is I just grab like the very bottom inch or so, and I just rake my fingers through it first, like I usually do. And then I do the prayer hands. Yeah, then I do the prayer hands. And I put some on top when I finish this side. But so far, this is how it is with just the water. It still looks nice either way. And this is it with everything else. It's really defined. Let's see if I can show you guys. So now we're going to do this side. Okay, so this is my finished look. Oh my god. Okay, so you guys, I love this hair. I love it when it is wet. Take a look at these curls. Just look at them. Just look. And usually what you do, the number one rule to keep these curls defined like this, do not touch. Do not touch, okay? Beauties, do not touch. It is so hard. We like to run our hands through our hair, flip, flap, whatever, flirt, this and that. But don't touch it if you want your curls to stay all day, boo-boo, okay? It's really hard. It's really hard. I understand. But do me a favor. Don't do it so we can slay all day, okay? You hear me? But I hope you guys enjoyed this curly hair routine. If you did, please subscribe and give this video a like. If you guys would like any more tutorials with this hair, please let me know. And if you guys enjoyed, bye!